A canyon is really unknowable in terms of its depth. There are certain things that are wholly imagined because we can never conceive how they're formed, how they exist, or what happens within them. I left large areas of a linen visible to emphasise the areas that do have colour. You notice parts where nothing seems to be happening, but there also is this moment of rest or reflection in the emptiness. Animals in cartoons are often used to code behaviours or socialise norms. The idea of violence in animals or aggression is really normal, but it's inappropriate with humans. Cartoons are a way of hiding or subverting complicated behaviours or psychological experiences. In my paintings, mouths normally fill and dominate the landscape, but in these new works, that domination has a very different level of intimacy because there are tongues and the mouths are gaping wide open and grinning. I respond to yellow, red and blue in a strong way, and I use those colours a lot, but I wanted to push that further in these paintings, so I introduced more purples, pinks, oranges and greens, and they're quite neon, so there's a different energy to them than I'm used to. With these works, I felt there was a combination of ideas around the physicality of space and place, also a relationship to more personal, intimate places within ourselves, which are hidden from us or difficult to grapple with.